In the beginning, your name was given to you by your parents. Your skin, hair and eye colour were all given to you by your genes from your parents. Chance and circumstances has given you a massive portion of your childhood experiences and has more often than not affected you in some way or another now in your adulthood. But you've got to remind yourself that no matter what is happening to you right now or what has happened to you in the past, who you believe and who you are and who you will become, those are for you to decide, nobody else, and especially not some random smegon on social media. Listen carefully to this because it's really simple. Your identity is yours for the choosing. Now, I'm not talking about the way you look or what you have, but who you are and what to your very core you believe to be right. Now, I said this is going to be simple, but it's not going to be easy. Acting in line with your values in spite of how you feel or what others think of you is hard as fuck, but it's literally the only way you can be who you truly want to be. Stop infatuating over the prize, but instead keep your eyes on your daily practice of your inner process, bit by bit, step by step, day by day, and become what you do. I'm going to say this again for the hard of hearing. Become what you do. Then you can be who you want to be. And then, as soft as this sounds, everything that you want will find you when you least expect it. This, our friends, is the process of rebranding yourself and what true brand identity really means. Peace.